Affiliate program information for those interested in learning more. What is the affiliate business internet marketing online? And how can you profit from it? The idea of an affiliate program or business is, in fact, a very simple marketing strategy. In part, it is an outgrowth of the internet and free email services. Imagine that you are standing in the middle of a crowd of hundreds of millions of people with money in their pockets, and a desire to spend it. If you had a product to sell, it would seem that you are in heaven, wouldn't it? If you are planning to engage in affiliate business internet marketing online in an active role, you either need to start getting people who visit your site to subscribe to your newsletter, or you need to buy lists of addresses from people who gather lists of double opt-in subscribers. A double opt-in has to not only agree to accept email from one site, but also has to agree to accept emails from unspecified others, who may be affiliated with the site you subscribe to. Now imagine that you have the ability to send each of them a piece of mail every day. No need to imagine, you can do it. What's the catch? The catch is that you need their exact address, and their permission to send them the mail. How do you get this permission? New laws in the US governing spam require that you acquire this permission from the addressee, and that the addressee has the right to cancel that permission at any time. Whether or not you are in an affiliate marketing program, you are continually being offered the option to join some marketer's list. Whatever you are interested in, whatever you read on the internet, you surely have seen an invitation to receive a newsletter from that site. If you subscribe to the newsletter, you are a captured address with a single opt-in. With you being a single opt-in, the owner of the newsletter has certain rights with regard to sending you emails. These rights include, but may not be limited to, sending you offers directly from the owner of the newsletter. Before you subscribe to any newsletter, read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy of that site. You know, those two little boxes you check without reading just to get your newsletter. The affiliate program or programs are challenging to figure out in the beginning. Just stick to your guns and you will have it worked out quickly. Remember, targeted marketing, research and websites that convert into sales are key to the affiliate program marketing business. Buy a book from an authority in the business, understand what it's all about, and then jump in and start promoting. This is definitely a business anyone can enjoy and profit from. An affiliate program can definitely make your profits increase over only just a short period of time, so there would not be any need in you worrying over if you have made the right decision. Please do not forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.